Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Eva Ivrin. Now if your feet looks like this, can you see they are so cracked and dry, or like this they are still cracked and dry? All your nails have dirt like this and cuticles and dead skin. Guys, you need to watch this whole video. So welcome, and now let's start. So the first thing that you need to do is to soak your legs. So you can so you need warm water, and then you add bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. Then after that you soak your legs for like 5 to 10 minutes. This is to enhance in the softening of the dead skin. Remember, heels crack because of dead skin and that in general. So you soak for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that you can use a stone to remove the dead skin along your heel. At the same time, you can use a foot file, or you can use the foot grater, any that can be able to remove the dead skin. Please make sure you use it. At this point, the heels, they doesn't require a scrub, like the little scrub, because it might be very hard to remove the dead skin. So you just need the stone, the foot file, or the foot grater, or the pedicure file, all that. So use that to scrub to remove the dead skin. So after staying with dead skin for so long, that is the time that your heels crack and they look so bad, like the picture that I have just shown you at the beginning of the video. So guys, I have other videos on foot care, so check out my YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share. Let me know, how does your foot react to not removing the dead skin? Do you get cracked heel, or do you get the whitish thin, or your feet doesn't look so soft? Then after that, I'm going to still scrub again using a stone. So I've just used a bar soap, I've applied on the heel part, and then after that I scrub just to ensure that I get rid of all the dead skin. So please, if you are struggling with a cracked heel or dry heel, or your feet doesn't look so pretty and soft, please, this is something that you can be able to try at home, something that doesn't require a lot of money for you to do that, something that you can be able to do on your own. So you scrub both legs, guys. At this point, the legs, are they the legs or the feet? The feet are so smooth, and they are already looking lovely. So the next thing that I'm just supposed to do is moisturize. So if you're not extra, but for me, because I'm extra, I'm going to go ahead and now scrub. So I'm going to use the bar soap again. I apply on my gloves, my scrubbing gloves. Then I apply cuticle gel remover just to clean the nails all around the nails. Remember the nail that I showed you at the beginning of the video, whereby it has so many cuticles and dead skin. So this is something that you can be able to do. So the cuticle gel will also enhance in the removal of dead skin in the overall foot, so you can do that. Then after that, immerse in the water for some few minutes, or soak in the water for some few more minutes. Yeah, then ensure that you are cleaning the nails and they are not. So for my nails are just very fresh, and therefore I didn't have to take a lot of time on that. Then after that, rinse off of everything. Then just to ensure that you have done everything well and you have scrubbed all the dirt, I'm still going to use the bar soap again. So I apply it on the glove, like you can see me doing. Then after that, I'm going to apply to add baking soda on the gloves. Then that I use to scrub the feet again. So just scrub everywhere, remove the dirt. At this point, the legs are already clean, and they are appreciating the effort that you have put on them. So this is something that you can be able to do without breaking your bank or anything. Yeah, so if you really love yourself and you prioritize your self-care, please make sure that you try this. Also guys, thank you for those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, comment, just engage with my content. It will really mean a lot, and the motivation that I get and I'm just happy to help other people clean their feet or take care of their feet. So let me know in the comment section what you think of this video. Then after that, I'm going to rinse off using clean water. That is what I'm rinsing off with. So I'll just pour on the legs. Then after that, I'm going to dry the legs, and even in between the toes I dry them. And then these, so remember, if you don't really dry your feet well, and especially in between your toes, that is when you get a fungal infection and all that. So ensure that you really dry your do is moisturize your feet so well. Ensure that they are well moisturized, and then if it is in the evening and you're going to sleep, wearing socks will be of good help to your feet. So ensure that you do that. Yeah, so moisturize. So guys, like you can see, my legs are already looking good. I just need to moisturize and just massage for some few minutes. So bye bye. Ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, thank you so much for watching and coming all the way to this almost the end of the video. So I really appreciate. So bye bye, see you, and ensure that you take care of your feet. See you. Look at mine, they are green, they are pretty, they are soft and all that. So that was what I wanted when I started this foot care. So stay tuned for another video which is coming on your way very soon. Call your neighbors, call your friends, call your family, and tell them to subscribe. Bye.